welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we're going to be vlogging today. I've got a few things I need to sort out. Oh, first of all, let me do outfits of the day fit check. So I've got this shirt and camo trousers. So it's high-waisted, it's got the pockets, it's got the down pocket, and of course the pockets on the down. So this one's we haven't released this drop yet, but I'm just trying it on. Obviously I need to try on my samples to see how it fits. So yeah, that's how it looks like. I roll up my sleeve because I'm about to get some work done here. I've got some things I need to ship out. So yeah, let's get to it. Let us get to it. I don't know what else to. Right, okay, so I'm just printing out the things we're going to be shipping now. Then I'm going to start bringing out things from the actual outfits themselves. And yeah, we'll get to it now. I have printed out the things that we're shipping with, and I'm trying to do the shipping labels for like the really urgent ones. I've also done the shipping labels for UPS, and so I'm just going to get everything printed and bring all the items out, and then we can start packing. So what I'm going to do today, which I haven't done before on my vlogs, is I am going to go on Instagram Live. I was hoping to go on Instagram and TikTok Live, but obviously I'm using my phone to do this YouTube vlog. So I'm going to go on Instagram Live, and then maybe tomorrow at some point I might go on TikTok Live as well, just so I can like rotate the lives and see how it goes, because there's always something to do here. Okay, so I've got 2 more items I need to bring out. I'm quite liking the fit of these trousers. Let me know what you think about my fit. So we're looking for okay, so this is the last 2 items I think I need to bring out. Hi guys, so I've been to the post office and back. I scheduled UPS for today, but they did not show up. Can you imagine? Oh, UPS, they've just been cramping my style recently. We've had like a serious battle, myself and UPS. But anyways, hopefully I need to contact them tomorrow. So hopefully they come and pick up the stuff that is supposed to go tomorrow. I've got so many pending items, like it is unbelievable how much pending items I've got to sort out. And I also have this big pile behind me. So what I'm going to start doing now is I am going to pack this last one. I have done the shipping label for it, but I haven't packed it yet, so I would get it packed now. The things I left out for UPS, I'll bring them in, and I'll try and hide this place just a little bit. I'll take all of this inside just so I can fold them inside. And yeah, tomorrow I don't plan to do much here because I want to like just sit down and focus on creating content for tomorrow. So I'm just trying to plan out the content I'll be doing for tomorrow. So yeah, stay tuned for that one. So this is they ordered a UK14, and it's going to Germany. They said, please can this get to me before the 18th of November? If not, let me know. Yeah, it's definitely going to get to them on time, so that's not even a problem. I'm going to pack this one now. I need to order some more of the CPS bags because the ones I have has run out now. Okay, let's do this. My bin is so full. I'm going to go to the recycling place tomorrow just so I can drop. There's this one and then there's a big bag outside as well. So I'll just ship both of them tomorrow. So what I'm trying to do here is I'm trying to also plan for the holiday Black Friday season, because it gets quite busy in the holiday period, like this month, next month. So I'm also trying to like prep and plan for it. I'll put this in the UPS boxes outside, but I would bring everything inside because I don't want them staying outside in case it rains or it gets really windy and stuff. Okay, so that is that one sorted. I would move this back to where it needs to be here. Away. Try and clear out this table now. Sorted this one out, so I'll just leave it here. I'll need to like proper tidy up everywhere here very soon. Now, something I need to sort out very quickly. I've got so much baby wipes in this place. It is shocking how much baby wipes I've got here. Okay, so let me just check that we are up to speed on this, guys. So this one sorted. Okay, I need to sort this one out. This one is not sorted. Essential size large. Now I need to take all these guys in and actually go through all of them. So I'm not wasting precious time here. I need to sort this one out. From here, there's always a doll inside here. I need to take this one back in. And there's always a diaper here. Oh. I've got this box here. It's just got so much crap on me to sort out. And I've also got like a massive box outside as well. So all these things that I am not sure about, I'll just leave them there. Because then I'll sort all of them out. I'll just come at one point, just sit down here and just start going through everything here. But in the meantime, they'll stay as they are. Oh, this is ink. Is it? Oh, I still have this left. Okay, stay with the printer then. See, sometimes it's good to tidy up. Right, so what is this one? It's like a speaker. Google sent me this long time ago and I haven't used it yet. It's just been sat here collecting dust. So I think I would open it up one of these days and just use it. I think it's like a speaker. Okay, so table sorted. We're making headway here. Okay, so this is sorted now. There is a customer order I need to bring out. I'll put this one back on here because I'll be taking this inside so I can fix it. Right, okay guys, so I have managed to sort out quite a lot of things here. Like, I am very impressed with myself how I've managed to do. So I'm going to call it a day now. I'll put this one away. I'll take all these bits away from here. I'll take the things I am going to, I'm going to fold away, and that is it pretty much. I would come in at some point later tomorrow and do what I need to do. But yeah, thanks so much for hanging out with me today. If you've enjoyed the content of this video, you know what to do. Thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, and turn on the bell notification so when I get any upcoming videos, you get notified. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.